everyone, welcome to my channel MBA Shala. In this video, let us discuss about discounted payback period method. I have already explained you about this payback period method in my previous videos. And if you remember, one of the limitation of payback period is it ignores time value of money. So, by overcoming that time value of money limitation, that payback period ignores it, we have a new variant of payback period method here, which is discounted payback period method, which I will explain you now. Let us consider a project that costs you 1 lakh rupees and will generate, say, in next 5 years, cash inflows. Like for example, let us take 25,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 27,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees and 15,000 rupees respectively. And cost of capital or our discount rate is, say, assume 10%. Given this data, we have to find out discounted payback period. So as usual, payback period means the time taken by any project to return back our initial investment. So in the regular procedure, we will find out cumulative cash inflows, and then in which year or in between those 2 years where our initial investment is realizing back, we will determine payback period. But here, this is a different kind of a variant of payback period, that is discounted payback period. It means that all these cash flows, first we will convert them into their present value, because we are getting these amounts at different periods. 25,000 rupees we are receiving after 1 year, and this 30,000 rupees after 2 years, and so on. So therefore, first we have to convert all these cash inflows into their present value by discounting at 10% cost of capital or hurdle rate. So PVIF at the rate of 10%. As in this case, cash flows are uneven, we follow table A3. So in table A3, in the line of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years at 10%, what is the present value of 1 rupee is given directly. So let us write down 0.909, 0.826, 0.751, 0.683 and 0.621. So these are all cash present value interest factors according to table A3. Now, if you multiply these cash inflows with this present value interest factor, we will get present value cash inflows at 10%, which means our discounted cash flows. Discounted cash flows. So if you multiply 25,000 with 0.901, we will get 22,725. Then 24,780, 30,000 into 0.826. Then 27,000 into 0.751, 20,277. Then 27,320, and finally 9,315. So these are our discounted cash flows. According to discounted payback period, you have to use these discounted cash flows in the process of determining payback period. Now from this step onwards, the regular procedure is followed. Using this, find out cumulative discounted cash flows. So first year 22,725, then 47,505, 67782, 95,102, and 1,04,407. So these are our cumulative discounted cash flows. Now our initial investment or capital outlay is 1 lakh rupees. Therefore, you now can find out payback period. This 1 lakh rupees you are realizing in between 4th and 5th years. 4th and 5th years. Therefore, take this 4 as base year. Now applying the formula of payback period, discounted payback period is equal to base year, that is 4 years plus unrealized amount as of base year. So our initial investment is 1 lakh rupees. By the end of 4th year, we got already 95,102. So the difference between 1 lakh and 95,102 is 4,898 divided by next to base year. These are our cash flows, 9,315. So thereby our discounted payback period is 4.525 years. So this is the procedure to find out discounted payback period. Procedure is simple. Whatever cash flows are given, first you need to convert them into their present values by discounting at a certain interest rate. If interest rate is not given, you can assume 10%, or according to the data given in the question, you can use that cost of capital to find out present values of all these cash inflows. Then present value cash inflows at 10%, find out cumulative cash flows. Then following this formula, you can find out discounted payback period. Happy learning.